Hello again. Very heavy rainfall continues in some parts of the UK during the next 24 hours. Wednesday night and Thursday, an amber warning is in force for parts of southern Scotland and northwest England. It's all courtesy of this stalled weather front, which has become aligned with the wind direction. That southwesterly wind, full of moisture, very mild, and dumping an awful lot of that moisture over the higher ground of southern Scotland and Cumbria. So within the yellow area, risk of disruption from these large amounts of rainfall, but the amber areas there indicate those parts that are of most concern. Eastern parts of Dumfries, Galloway, western parts of Borders seeing 80 millimetres and as much as 100 millimetres in some spots. Cumbria, 100 millimetres widely, 2 to 250 millimetres for some exposed western fells. These are very large rainfall amounts, even for the time of year, even for Cumbria. And so there is the very real risk of flooding and disruption from the rain, which really just continues across southern Scotland, northern England, and increasingly North Wales on Wednesday night. Some showers to come for northwest Scotland and the rain edging into West Wales by the end of the night. But away from these areas, a lot of dry weather, the strong wind continues and a lot of clouds. So another exceptionally mild night to come. Temperatures in some places above the daytime average as we start off Thursday, 13s to 15s in the south, 12 to 14 in the north. But it is a very wet start for northern England, southern Scotland. The rain becoming a bit more widespread for a time through the central belt into central parts of Scotland and then the east of Scotland. Wales turns increasingly wet. Cardiff seeing the rain by the afternoon. Parts of Cornwall and Devon also seeing some heavy rain by this stage. And as the front pivots, well, we're going to see dry weather continue in the southeast, a lot of cloud, mind you. Brighter skies in the northwest of Scotland with some showers. Northern Ireland likewise seeing some sunny spells. But all parts seeing another mild day, 16, 17 Celsius in the southeast, 12 to 15 further northwest. Well, that rain continues into western parts of England and Wales, especially on Thursday night. Really wet across Wales and the southwest. Increasingly, this is the area of concern on Thursday and Friday. Dartmoor, the higher ground of Wales, also seeing significant rainfall totals and a risk of disruption by Friday. But all the while, the rain is edging east. And by the start of Friday, that wet weather's into the Midlands, central southern England. It's still avoiding East Anglia in the southeast, staying dry here, albeit very mild. And there'll be further showery rain into western Scotland, but Northern Ireland also seeing a lot of dry weather as we start off Friday with some sunshine. Friday's the final day where we see the whole thing push east. It takes much of the morning, so further spells of wet weather for many during the morning, but you can see by the afternoon it's turned to showers, and there'll be further showers into the west as we end the day, but also plenty of sunny spells. Temperatures are going to start to drop away on Friday as well. It's not going to be quite as mild, still above average for the time of year, but a cooling trend as we head into the weekend. But there is further rain and wind expected on Saturday and Sunday. There's a 10-day trend forecast on the Met Office YouTube channel and other social media channels. So stay up to date, of course, with all of that. Stay up to date with the warnings, which will be on the Met Office website and app. Bye-bye.